Hi guys, welcome today, welcome to my video. Last video I taught you guys that I was going to make the Mccalls 7977. Absolutely love that blouse. I have made it, so let me quickly show you guys. So here is my two blouses that I have made. Here is the long sleeve one I've made. I can't remember which view. I think it was view A, not sure. Anyway, so here it is. I did put in the waist elastic, and I actually made my own bias binding underneath for the casing for the elastic. So I've made my own bias binding, and then I've put that in instead of store-bought bias binding for the elastic casing. With this blouse, you can see that I've put a narrow hem into the ruffle, so I folded it up a little bit and then ironed it, and then just a little bit in again. Looks very neat. Yeah, by the point I actually just did a stitch line there for the finishing of the seam, and then just another stitching there to reduce the bulk that will be into this point. It looks very neat. The other thing that I've done different was I added three black buttons instead of the two that they mentioned on the pattern instructions. So I added 3 instead of 2 onto the cuff. And then what I've done by the neckline is instead of putting the facing as per the pattern instructions, I actually made a bias binding and then turned it in, which looks like bias facing. So the bias binding doesn't go to the outside, it just stays in the inside. And then I put a hook and eye in. I love the teardrop shape at the back, it looks cute. I love this top. I have worn it, it's very comfy, and yes, I think there's going to be more in my closet of these ones. Then I have made the summer version as well, with the 3/4 sleeves, with the puffy sleeves. Yeah, I have, with the neckline, I have cut 1 centimeter off the neckline, and then I added a bias facing, just because I wanted the neckline to be a little bit lower than with the winter one, so it's more airy, breathable and loose. And then I have added a white button with a Rolo loop at the back, and with this I actually added the elastic right onto the fabric with no casing. Yes, I've done that with the zigzag. And then I added a rolled hem to the ruffle to neaten it up. There's still markings, I still have to wash this top, and you can see it's still a little bit creased. And then at the bottom I just overlocked it, and then took it over and then put in the hem. Yeah, you can see that this is Dobby. It's got little double geese. So cute. I love this fabric, so flowy and summery. So yes, those are the two 7977s I've made, and I will post some pictures for you guys to see my twirls and when I look at it. Other things this week as well, except for making the two 7977s. Yesterday I made a dress out of grey ponte knit. I'm going to turn the camera around to show you guys. So I had this grey ponte knit fabric. It's very lightweight ponte knit. It's very pretty. I made a dress yesterday, and I must say that I absolutely love it. I haven't worn the dress yet, so for that reason I haven't taken pictures of it, so forth, but I will show you guys. Then I also want to show you what I've done this week, other than making clothing. I bought a simplicity pattern. I will show you guys on top the number. I can't remember the number right now. I'm going to turn you around again. I have made this caddy that goes under my sewing machine, and it is so cute and so handy, and I love it. So right here on top is the pin cushion for your needles and so forth. Yeah, I've got a normal needle, but yeah, that's the pin cushion. And then here is, I've put my tracing pens and so forth in here, and then my scissors, and I've got my sewing gauge in here, and I think my tweezers is also in here. Hey baby. So this is Smarty, everybody. And here is the thread basket. The only thing I don't like about it is they say you must use hook and eye tape. Actually, you want to change it, loosen this and add Velcro. I think the Velcro will just make it more sturdy and so forth. Yes, I love it. If you take this out underneath your sewing machine, you can actually put it over your sewing machine, and then there is ties on either side to tie it to make a dust cover. So that is for the sewing machine. And then this side here is Jessie as well. And on this side is my ironing station. I still want to make a new cover for my ironing board as well. But yes, the ironing board caddy. So I've put an extra sewing scissors in here with my marking tracing pencil, and in here I have put my bias binding maker with here. I love it. It's handy. I just enjoy that. I should have made it years ago. So my next makes will still be according to the plans I made on my last video. I'll link it on top. But I definitely want to make this style pattern 2279, this vintage pattern. It is grow on sleeve dress, shirt dress. So I actually want to make that into this fabric. This is the rayon linen look fabric. Absolutely love it. And then I want to make this dress, the New Look 6855, in this chambray that I've got. It's quite dark and everything, but you guys, I wish you could see it in real life. It's very, very pretty. So this is also a shirt dress. Yes, if you watched my last video, you'll see my sewing plans. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my finished made products. I wish to inspire you to make your own clothing if you are making your own already. Show me some of your makes of the 7977 if you have. My email address is below, and I have an Instagram as well if you want to see things that I made during the week, and I post pictures earlier. And then also please subscribe and press the like button so other people can find my video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.